super pliable, super perfect. I was able to remove this piece right here. Oh my goodness, that's bad. That's really bad. It's a whole nother day. So relax, Lola. The box has finally arrived, and it is now time to find out if this $9 part is going to solve all of our problems on this beautiful, I'm kidding, 300 CE from Mercedes. Holy crapola, look at this thing smoke. Yes. No. Why won't it run? Why?
Get that piece of crap out of the way.
Take another bite. Not at the camera. Look at that. Stop. Yeah, we got rain. What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
This is what I'm working with. It's not a lot.
I'm in the car.
Yes, hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back. We have received a part that I think is gonna fix the huge hesitation issue that we have with this car, all right? I feel so bad. I have thrown so much money into this car, and she looks terrible, she drives terrible, but I really think that after replacing, oh my gosh, distributor cap, the plate behind it, the rotor, I think spark plugs, we did the crank position sensor, we tried to remove the O2 sensor and give that a little cleaning, and we've done a ton of work. But I think right here, this little piece is gonna solve the problem. When I last left you, we determined that we did have a huge leak. All right, I was able to remove this piece right here. Let go, little buddy. And I discovered that a lot of these parts are very difficult to find. This part right here can be difficult to find. So we're gonna clean this. It's kind of hard right now, but I don't think there's any holes in it. The hole we found was actually this piece right here. So I've removed the fuel pressure regulator, and I've got to get down into here. See, this is still kind of a little bit pliable, but what I've got to do, I've got to remove this, take this piece off, and I'll show you where it broke off going into the engine. So we have the old piece out. What I do is I take a straight razor and I just cut this right here, and then I use just a screwdriver, and I try to break it because you don't want to break the connector. This is what you want to break because it's already broken. Here's the piece that was attached to the car still. So this is the old one. The new one has just disappeared. Where'd it go? Oh, you're kidding me. The new one looks like this. Super pliable, super perfect. We'll get it attached. This is what attaches it to the car. So you can kind of almost prepare that. And we should be good to go. Thank you, Europarts. A lot of these pieces are hard to find these days. They really are. As someone's life is being saved and my neighbor gets his lawn cut, we have achieved perfection. Okay, we have the new tube here installed. It goes into here and it goes into here. We have our new little $9 piece here. This was, I don't know, 19 or 29 or something. We have this. Where the cold start injector goes is nice and clean. This is where your idle control valve is going to sit right here. We have a new hose that goes between there and the throttle body itself. And I have cleaned, look how nice that is. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's not so nice, but it looks good. So we're just going to reattach everything and we're going to give it a start. Leave a comment below if you think this is going to fix the trouble, all right? If it works, we're going to take some more parts from Clio 1, including this piece right here, the windshield wiper, all that kind of stuff, and complete a car. Yes, folks, we are finally going to complete a car. So we've done a thing. Yeah, we got it all back together. And pretty much everything went where it was supposed to, and I didn't have any bolts left over, so I'm going to consider that a huge win. All we have left to do, connect the battery, hope the battery is good, and give her a start. So let's just connect this little girl right here. I should probably make it a little tighter. We'll do that, and then we're going to give her a start and see what happens. Has the hard work paid off? Well, we're going to find out right here, right now. Hopefully we'll not have any leaks. Hopefully she will run and drive way better than before. So let's just kind of go here. See if she's gonna start, and then we'll back her up. Cycling the pump. And let's see what happens. Well, that's not good. What did I forget to connect? Holy moly, what did I forget to connect? So what happened? This is tight, this is tight. This one maybe? Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Probably this guy. Or this guy, or both. Yeah, probably these two. All right, well. Classic mistake. That sounded pretty good. Here we go. Holy guacamole. Did we do it right? Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. Oh, crapola. Yeah, we forgot something else. Oh my goodness, that's bad. That's really bad. All right, where's my 12? Where's my 12? What I forgot to connect this time is right here. This line runs down, around, underneath, and all the way into fuel pressure regulator, and I had to remove it to get all the other lines on, and then I, see, look at this. Somebody completely forgot to do that, which is fantastic. All right, well, okay, here we go. We'll give it a minute to dry up. And then we'll give her a start. Holy guacamole, would you please do something right? Time has come to start the dadgum car. Hopefully we have no leaks. Well, she started right up. Oh, I think we fixed it. I think we fixed it. This is the best she's ever run. Now, if we have power, we're going around the block. Let's just see what's going to happen. We'll do some window lowering. I mean, she runs so well. That's great. That is really good. Let's not crash into a car. Right here. You ready? I think that's a win, folks. She's running so much better. She's not stumbling at all. One more time. Yeah. Oh, 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 I think we fixed it. I think I'm doing a dance. Do, 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 do. Yes, we're doing a dance. We're doing our little We fixed it. We fixed the car. After how many parts and how much money? A simple smoke test. First thing I should have done, first thing I will always do from here on out, It was in a buried plastic part. You never would have found it on your own, ever, ever, ever. And now the car runs and drives really, really well. So I'm gonna get my best friend and we're gonna go for a ride. Somebody's ready for a car ride. She's been pulling on the leash, which is not a good thing. All right, we're going in old Clio 2. We're gonna see if we've actually fixed something. Lola loves her car rides. I'm bringing the leash in case we don't make it, so we can walk home. All right, let's see if this old girl's gonna back up and finally run and drive like she should. Come on now. Starts right up like a champ. That was the first start. It's a whole nother day. So relax, Lola. Okay, just relax. Okay, here we go. Let's see if she's gonna idle and do fine while we back it up. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's like a whole different car. You know, you fix something important and the car just runs great. So let's try not to hit the fence. This is the best it's driven since I've had it. You agree? You agree, Miss Lola thing? It hasn't quite heated up yet, so I don't see any blue smoke. But now that we fixed the leak, maybe she won't smoke anymore. I know, that's wishful thinking. Lola's hoping for the best. We're gonna go down here. Oh. And just see how she does. Shift. She's driving good. She's driving perfect, right, Lola? We can do a brake check. This is where we do our brake checks on the electric bikes. But she's a whole different car. Oh my goodness. She tried to stall. Uh-oh. Let's just go down this hill and try to come back up. I guess she's so used to stalling at that RPM or whatever, she's still trying to do it for some reason. Let's see if she'll make it up the hill. Come on. Come on. Oh, it felt like she really wanted to stall, but she's not letting herself. Engine temperature is coming up. Now I'm looking for blue smoke, which wouldn't be a good thing. Let's just see what's happening. There's the evil neighbor. You know what? I think we fixed it though. We'll come down here. And she tried to. You know what? We're coming up the hill. We're taking the big test. Let's just see what she's going to do for us. We're going all the way down, and then we'll come up where she has always stalled. Don't listen to yourself, okay? That's a whole new car. You're a whole new you, just like Lola with her little... She's growing her hair out. Lola's growing her hair out just in time for summer. I know. But she looks good. She's a little warm right now. But let's just see. Oh shoot, was that the trunk? Okay. This is it, folks. Oh, she's doing great. No stall. No stall. She's shifting fine. She's looking good. And she's acting divine. That's me. I should write songs. Look at this. Okay, what do you think, Mama? You think we did good on this car? I know. I think we fixed her. I think you need to get your teeth brushed. You got a little stank breath going on right there. Come on. It's not perfectly smooth, but then she hasn't been on the road in a long, long time. So this is where she stalls. I can feel her want to. I can feel her trying to. But she didn't. The brakes are great. So I think, you know what? We're deeming this a win. Clio 2 has survived. Seeing if I gun it. Yeah. I could actually go back on the settings a little bit. I could actually do the EHA valve down a little bit. But Lola, we fixed her. I know, look at you. She's giving me her high five. So I think this is the final video on Clio 2. For once, we won. We always win. We always do. What are you trying to do there, car? She's doing fine. Okay, I was kind of worried about that. Here comes the helicopter. Another life being saved. And I don't see any black smoke coming out the back. I do not see black smoke coming out the back. So, chef's kiss, as they say, right? You gonna give me a kiss? Thank you. I've trained her not to lick. I'm not a big let the dog lick your face kind of person. So, she did good. Did you like your ride? Ooh, you're hot. You got that sun coming down on your skin. You're getting warm. So that's gonna do it. Yeah, everybody, we have fixed Clio 2, which means we can take the windshield wiper and everything from Clio 1. We can put it over here, and we have ourselves a running and driving super rare 1991 300 CE. Had to think about what the car was. Excuse me. And she's still doing good. So we did it. As for what's next, well, we will take the windshield wiper from Clio 1, put it in Clio 2, button the whole front up, and then we have a perfect running and driving car. I'm terrified to try this. We have a working sunroof. Who'd have thought? All right, so then we also have, I did get some paperwork back on the title for the Miserably. So the Miserably is coming back to the channel, which is gonna be fantastic news, most popular car I've ever worked on. And we'll just continue working. I got lots of projects, lots of parts coming, and it's time to thin the herd. The old S320 that I have, the black one, is being sold. Clio 2 could be sold if you're interested. Hit me up. And we're gonna move on and find some other cars and keep you guys happy. All right, have a great day, everybody. Hug those kids if you got them. Give me 5. Thank you. Love those dogs if you got them. And we'll see you again very, very soon, okay? Say bye, Lola. Say bye. Brr, 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 brr. Okay, have a great one.